Simplify each polynomial, if possible, and write it with descending powers. Then give the degree and tell whether the polynomial is a monomial, a binomial, a trinomial, or none of these. First example we have is 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 5x squared plus x cubed. Let's combine like terms. That's something we can definitely do. We have 2x cubed and 1x cubed, so that would make for 3x cubed. And we have the terms 4x squared minus 5x squared, which would be negative 1, so negative x squared. Now that is in descending order. I always start with the highest exponent, so I started with the cube terms first. That's in descending order. So now I can say that the degree is 3, because the highest exponent I have is 3. And this polynomial is a binomial. It's a binomial because it has two terms. Our next polynomial is negative 6y cubed plus 10y to the fourth minus 7. Now there are no terms I can combine with this one. However, I can write this in descending order. Put 10y to the fourth first minus 6y cubed minus 7. So that has a degree of 4, and this is a trinomial. So we could name this as a fourth degree trinomial. Our next example we have is 5a to the fourth minus 3a squared plus 4a to the fourth plus 7. Note that we have the highest exponent of a to the fourth, so the degree is going to be 4. Let's go ahead and do that. Degree is 4. Now let's combine these terms. 5a to the fourth plus 4a to the fourth would combine to be 9a to the fourth minus 3a squared plus 7, because none of those can combine together. So we have a fourth degree trinomial. Last example, 1/8 a to the fifth minus 3a minus 3/8 a to the fifth plus 15. The highest exponent that I heard there was an a to the fifth, so let's start with these two. So I have 1/8 minus 3/8. That would be negative 2/8, or negative 1/4. Go ahead and put that over here. This would be minus 2/8, which would reduce to negative 1/4. So this is equal to negative 1/4 a to the fifth power minus 3a, nothing else combines, plus 15. So that this is a fifth degree trinomial.